Hello, hello, it's Susan from Tamagems. Today we are going to make a jade, pearl, and shell choker and a pair of jade and pearl earrings. I made one side and I'll show you how to make the other when we're done. Okay, so let's get started. First we're going to get our memory wire, and it comes in bracelet form or choker form or large necklace form. This is a choker. So I already turned my loop. Now we're going to string our pearls on and jade and shells. I think it looks like a good combination together. This is beryl. This is a beryl jade down here. And these are 8mm round jade, pearls, and puka shells. So first we're going to start with our round jade. Let's unstring those. Okay, and it looks like, let me count them and make sure I have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, I have plenty. Okay, so we're going to start with 1 jade, 2 pearls. These are kind of large pearls. I think they might be 10 millimeters. This one's kind of getting stuck. Sometimes with the pearls, the holes are just so small they don't slide. Just gotta make sure they slide. And then we're gonna do a silver spacer. And then we're up here, we need 3 puka shells. Another spacer. 2 pearls. Slide it all the way down. So we're right here, two pearls. We need another spacer. We need a jade. Spacer. 2 pearls. Oh, that one looks kind of funny. Another spacer, 3 puka shells, spacer, 2 pearls, spacer, jade, spacer. Now we're right here. 2 pearls. Jade. Beryl. Let's pick out a beryl. This one looks good. Jade. 2 pearls. Spacer. Oh, right here. Jade. Spacer. Two pearls. Spacer, 3 puka shells, spacer, Right here, 2 pearls, spacer, jade, spacer. This one looks off colored. Yeah. Spacer, 2 pearls, spacer, some are spacers, three puka shells, spacer, 2 more pearls, and a jade. Okay, so let's see how that looks. Oh, looks like we forgot to put on our tubing again. Oh, I think that looks beautiful. So pretty. Okay, so let's put our tubing on and we'll have to undo the other side. So we're going to turn our loop here. I like to make large loops so the tubing doesn't get caught up in the middle of it. See how large my loop is? And then when the tubing comes, it doesn't go through the loop. So let's bring all this down. Let's see if we can undo our tubing, our wire. Let's see if I can flatten this out. I think so. I think that's good. Nope. Try this. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now I need to cut this. This is a little bit too long. So let me get my memory wire cutters and make sure everything's pushed down. And it is. And I think that's good. Grab that. Make our loop. Okay. And there is our beautiful jade, pearl, and shell bracelet. Okay, now let's do our earrings. So I already did this side, and I think it's a pretty good match. So we're going to take our head pin, kind of straighten it out, put our jade right on top. This is 10 millimeters, and I have 2 daisy spacers just to kind of act as a spacer in between the pearl and the jade. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to give it a bend. Come up, over, around, down. Bring it to the back, kind of straighten out a little bit. Open the door, put our earring wire on, and we're going to hold on to this. Get our bent chain nose pliers and wrap it around. Two, three. Okay, let's cut off the excess. Pinch the burr down. Okay, there we have our beautiful jade pearl earrings. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.